it's Tia and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a little bit of my life. Hi everybody, Tia here. Hi, it's Tia here. Speak a truth that empowers us. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Goodwill haul. This is actually going to be my first haul video. I don't really like shopping in general. It's never been something that I really love to do. I'd rather just have the clothes I want and have them available to me without actually going through the process of shopping. But I wanted to share with you guys a couple of items today that I found at Goodwill. That the whole reduce, reuse, recycle thing is great. I'm going to try them on for you just to show you that there can be good items that you can find secondhand. It can be kind of a diamond in the rough sort of situation. But when you do find items used and on sale and at a good price, that's great. So this dress that I'm wearing is one that I found at Goodwill. It still actually has the price tag on it, listed at $11.99, and then I got an additional 25% off. It's like a loose fitting dress. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the dress I am wearing right now. Basically, you guys, my style is pretty like simple and easy. Sometimes like people think I wear dresses because I'm like trying to be fancy or put together. It's really just because I don't like to match clothes, and dresses are easy because you can just throw them on. Also like loose fitting items. Like I don't know, I just like things that are super comfortable where I don't feel constricted throughout the day. So this dress, super soft. It's a brand that I hadn't heard of before, but would definitely buy from again. The next thing I wanted to show you guys is this bag. The last purse I had did not last me very long, or ripping and stuff. And I hate when the pocket liner is broken because then all my pens and makeup get stuck inside. I was kind of looking for a new cheap purse, and I found this little guy. It fits my laptop and papers and stuff. So that is the next item that I found. The next item that I wanted to show you guys is actually the shoes that I have on. Much like how I am with my outfits, like where like no fuss, super simple. It's pretty much how I am with my shoes too. I'm all about like comfort. Like I will not wear things that I don't think are comfortable. You guys, I saved my most favorite for second to last. Dress is from Calvin Klein and it was listed at like $13.99 and I got it for $25, so I thought that that was a pretty good deal. Super grown up in it and I really like it. I literally love this dress so much. I love it even more that I got it and I don't feel like I wasted money on it. I think clothes are an investment because you use them and they may make you feel a certain way, but at the same time I feel that they're not really an investment that is going to bring you more money. Yes, they make you feel and look and appear a certain way, which may help someone in their career or help them to have the confidence to do certain things, but I think that they're not the type of investment that's going to bring you more financial return. Like when you're done with them, you can resell them, but not for that much. Brand done. I don't have to spend that much money on it. The very last thing I wanted to show you, I'm not going to try on because you can kind of see how they would look. Just these super cute little, I don't know, I want to call them like summery shorts because that's what they make me think of. Since I was a kid, I've hated wearing jeans and I got through the resentment for them for a while, like in high school and college, and I would wear it. But I really don't like certain fabrics now. The shorts that I wear super regularly are those that are like this, like where they're loose, they're flowy, they don't stick to me. I don't feel restricted. $4.99 and I got these ones for 25% off as well. So that concludes my video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Goodwill thrifting haul. If you've never been to Goodwill, it would be super fun for you guys to try it. I'd love to know your thoughts. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will see you guys in my next video and I will talk to you soon. Mwah! Bye!